Today in our 2016 Toyota Highlander, we'll be doing a test fit on the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system using part numbers RRVA137B-2 for the aluminum 54-inch black crossbars and part number RRRLCP31 for the leg and adapter kit. So we've got the parts laid out next to our Toyota Highlander. As you can see, we've already got the front crossbar installed on our fixed rails here on our Highlander. Let's go ahead and do the rear crossbar together. And again, we've already got one side done, so we'll do the last side. First thing we want to do is grab our leg. And now when you take it out of the package, it's going to come equipped, ready to go for your heavy duty crossbars. What we want to do is go ahead and take that off there. We're going to leave this plate on the bottom. Then we're going to grab the top plate, set it in place. You can see how it's going to line up like so. Then we'll take the other threaded washer and put that in place. Then we can turn our attention to the pad. This is what's going to be mounted on our fixed rails on our Highlander. So let's head up there and take a look. So up here on top of our Toyota Highlander, you will need to remove the factory cover in the rail. That's going to reveal our hardware. So that we can grab our pad, we need to make sure we grab the correct side because they're all numbered differently. This one's M718 for the rear passenger side. We're going to be working with this hole right here. So what we need to do is we're just going to set it in place like so. Then we're going to grab our large bolt, put on the lock washer, followed by the flat washer. We're going to drop that down in, take our included tool, and tighten that down. Just like that. Now, as you can see over there, I've already got the other one installed. Now let's head back down to our crossbar and get our leg installed on our crossbar. So the first thing we need to do with our crossbar is go ahead and remove the end cap. So if it's locked, we can take our included key, unlock it, and pull that off. Then let's go ahead and turn it upside down. Now you will get some strips. They're going to help you measure this out on where to stop your leg. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my tape. In the instructions it says to be 88 millimeters from here, which converts to 8.8 centimeters. So we need to be right around this area. We can take our leg and we need to make sure it's loose enough here so we can slide it into the channel here. Just like that. And once again, we'll grab our tape. And we know we need to be 8.8 centimeters. And looks like we've got it there. Then you will need a 10 millimeter socket or wrench. And no reason to over tighten, just get it nice and snug. And it'll hold. And while we're at it, we can actually go ahead and replace our end cap and lock it down. With both legs installed on our crossbar, we can now fix it into our mounting points on top of our roof. So if you measured everything correctly, it should just fall right in place. Just like that. Then once it's in place, we'll grab our included hardware. You'll put the lock washer on first, then a flat washer, and then we can thread that down through here. Go ahead and get that hand tightened for now. We'll take our included tool and tighten it down. I'd like to point out that it's a specific tool. That way no one can tamper and remove your roof rack. And you don't need to over tighten this. You just need to tighten it just enough to where your lock washer is flattened out. And then we can just repeat the same process for the other side. So same thing, take our hardware, get that started, and then tighten it down. Perfect. Now the front installs the exact same way as the rear. You just need to refer to your instructions on what pad goes where on what mounting location on the car. But with them both installed, you're ready to load up your favorite Rhino Rack accessory and hit the road. And that's going to complete our test fit on the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero roof rack system on our 2016 Toyota Highlander.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.